Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel, Sorry, but I had to make a stop into Walgreens. So of course, every time I go to Walgreens, I feel like I always go to the hair aisle. And I got their Long & Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Grow Wash. It's a cleansing cream conditioner. And that's this beauty right here. Here it is. This is the packaging. I also seen the Thank God It's Natural products in their aisle. And if you shop at Walgreens, you know that anytime you go into the hair aisle, even if they have a collection there, 9 times out of 10, every piece of the collection is not gonna be there anyway. So just like my makeup collection, I like to mix up my hair products sometimes. So this is the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. It has green tea, argan oil, green tea and argan oil, sorry. So it's a lightweight leave-in conditioner. So I actually, in the shower, I used the Growash and then I also applied the leave-in conditioner. I'm not gonna do a style just because if I ever do like a style with my hair, like with flexi rods or anything like that, I like to do that on Sundays. Just because I work during the week and it's easier for me. If anybody's looking for a good detangling brush that's very like soft and doesn't get caught up in your curls, this one, the Knot Doctor, I can't even talk, by Conair, is pretty decent. So I'm gonna let the leave-in conditioner, well obviously I'm not gonna rinse it out, but I'm going to go sip my tea for a little bit and then I'll be back after I drink my tea and give this a chance to marinate and saturate my curls. Oh, if you guys are tea drinkers, Bigelow brand, oh, so good. You get them from, I haven't actually looked for them in Target, but I normally get them from Publix. I am drinking the peach green tea. It's so good. I put apple cider vinegar in it and then I also put a nice dose of honey. When I drink it in the morning, I put sea moss gel in it too. So yeah, so I'm gonna put my t-shirt towel on my hair and just let this really marinate there, and then we'll come back and we'll add some other styling products and we'll just let it do its thing. Oh, and y'all know what I bought for the first time? I hate that I always look over there. Y'all know what I bought for the first time that I haven't bought in such a long time? And I'm gonna also show you guys something else that I bought from Walgreens, which is the Thank God It's Natural Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. So yeah, it has shea butter and vitamin E. I like little things like this, just to, like I said, you know, maybe I need to refresh my curls or something like that for the day and whatnot. So I got that, but y'all, I got some jam. Let me tell y'all something. I used to rock jam when I was younger, legit all the time. Like you couldn't tell me nothing. As long as I had jam in my collection, my little edges was laid down. Okay, so I got this t-shirt towel. It is Conair and I got it from Target, okay? And it's actually really easy to use. So it comes like this, all right? It's like a little pouch. So you should be looking something like this. So what I do is I kind of tuck one side and then I bring the other side over and then I twist it softly until I got my pocket or my opening back in the front. And then all I do is just meet it in the back. And then boom. How you like me now? Gold teeth when I smile. Yeah, I love this thing, y'all. All right, superstars. So we're gonna take off our little t-shirt towel. My hair is still damp, you guys, okay? But look at this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of the buttercream in my hair and a little bit of Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink flaxseed curling gel. And then I'll finish with a little bit of the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. Has anybody ever tried the Thank God It's Natural brand? For a while I would pass it. Ooh. Look at that consistency. It smells nice. Oh, can I just tell y'all that the pomegranate and passion fruit, I thought this is like live in action happening, y'all. I thought that I bought 2 of the Growash from the AsIAm collection, and I'm just now realizing that I didn't, and I actually bought the pomegranate and passion fruit curl enhancing smoothie. So y'all know we're gonna use this instead. We'll save the buttercream from Thank God It's Natural for another time. Might as well use the AsIAm. Oh my God, you guys, it smells so freaking good. Look, I know some people like to see the consistency. All right, so we're just gonna work that into our hair. Really, really nice. And I'm gonna put a little bit extra, especially like on my ends too. My ends are what gets the driest the quickest, so we want to make sure that we're taking care of our ends. I mean, well, look at these curls. You see how juicy my hair is right now, y'all? Look how juicy it is. I can't believe that. I honestly, like, for real, no lie, y'all, I really thought that I bought 2 of the Growash. I purposely was trying to buy 2 of them, but I guess God saw fit that I get something else, because I was most certain that when I picked up the jar, it said the same thing. But it's all good. So I'm still gonna take a little bit of Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink curling gel, which I just love the way her stuff smells too. I don't have a lot on my hands, as you guys can see, and I'm really just focusing it on the ends. I do not put gel. I'm past those days. I remember those days where I would literally load my hair up with so much gel and so much mousse until it was nice, hard, and crunchy. Obviously, when my hair is wet like this, it doesn't look like I got a whole lot going on, y'all. But you guys have seen, you guys have seen that shrinkage is real and it is a thing. And you guys have also seen that my hair can get very, very big. So, yes. I haven't used gel in so long, y'all. So and it's the extra hold one too. So I'm only focusing, I can't talk. Let me fix my little part here. We want to have our life together now. So it's the extra hold, and I'm literally just focusing it right here in the front. Oh, I put way too much right there, but that's okay. Okay, and I'm literally just going to brush my hair kind of like back, and then this side I'm going to kind of brush up, because as this dries, you see how the hair kind of falls forward. It's going to have such nice volume, like so. Get into it. I'm gonna take a little bit of the gel very little though, and just tame like my little loose hairs like that. Take whatever is left over on the ends. And then just to finish, let me wipe my hands off a little bit because they're a little slippery. Y'all better get into these edges, honey. And just for a little bit of extra moisture and shine. And there we go. Listen. Juicy hair. All right, the hair is like it's dry, so we're fine. So yeah, I'm literally in my house clothes and we're about to get it together. Okay, so I am taking my Shea Moisture, the coconut and hibiscus hold and shine moisture mist, and I'm just gonna kind of spray that throughout my hair here. Like I said, y'all, I like my hair to be nice and soft. So what I'm now, okay, so let me just slow down because I'm talking real fast. So I could take my hands, I could use my hands and kind of go and separate, you know, the curls like so, like this. I ain't got time for all that. So what I'm gonna do is, first I think what I'll do is just kind of like pull my hair from the root and pull out like so. That's like my thing. You guys see me do that when I wand my hair. I like to pull from the root and pull down, because in my mind it's helping to give my hair some of its length back, because the shrinkage is real. But you guys see already, look at that. And we're just going to use the 2 teeth and kind of comb through our curls here a little bit, just like so. And there we go, y'all. Look at that. I'm gonna take a little bit of the jam again and just reinforce my edges. And I will take a little bit of the Aunt Jackie's. I need to get one of those edging brushes. Like, I feel like that might change my life a little bit. My hair is so soft though, and I don't like product on my edges to be too hard. But does anybody recommend any like good edge control? I'm open. So let your girl know. A little bit of Aunt Jackie's. Boom. You see that? Now you see right here, I could take a little bit of the curl enhancing smoothie, which was from AsIAM. I hate when the camera does that, my lord. And just gently deposit some product right there in the front, just to kind of take away that stressed frizz or puffy look. Stressed. So here is our hair, fresh hair now for days to come. So yes, that is my little routine, you guys. Just one of the many routines. I feel like you can never have just one routine, or you never have just one routine when it comes to excuse me, when it comes to managing your natural hair. So this is just one of them. So yes, superstars, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out, and I'm gonna go make a small dinner, and yeah, and then just unwind and relax. Mama gotta rest. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to spread love, because it's free, which means that it costs nothing for you to tell somebody that you love them. And I love you guys, and thank you for supporting the channel. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so before you dip up out of here. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads coming your way. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, Instagram _LifeWithStar 2 R's _ and then Life with Star, just 2 R's for TikTok. So yeah, here's the hair, here's the video, and that's that. All right, superstars.